Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find the list of messages on the Uber app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, I'm directing my attention to the bottom of the screen where I can see several navigation options. From there, I'm tapping on Account. This section is your central hub for all account-related features and settings within Uber, and it's where you'll find access to your message inbox as well. Once that opens up, I'm looking for the inbox option and tapping on it. This is the gateway to all your communications within the app, including updates from Uber, promotional offers, support messages, and any other notifications the platform has sent you. It's essentially your communication center for everything Uber related. Now I'm tapping Inbox again to fully open the messages section. This second tap ensures you're accessing the complete list of all your messages rather than just a preview or summary screen. Once this loads, you'll be able to see the full history of messages that Uber has sent to you through the app. At this point, all your messages are displayed on the screen. This includes everything from ride receipts and promotional offers to support responses and priority updates. You can scroll through this list to review any past communications or check for new messages that might require your attention. Now, if you want to organize or narrow down what you're looking at, there's a filtering system at the top of the screen. This feature is really useful when you're trying to find a specific type of message without scrolling through everything. By using these filters, you can quickly sort through your inbox and locate exactly what you need. You have several filtering options available. You can click all to view every message in your inbox without any restrictions. If you're looking specifically for promotional deals or discounts, you can tap offers to see only those messages. For any customer service related communications, click support and you'll see all the messages from Uber's support team. If you want to check for app updates, service changes, or general announcements, tap updates. And finally, if you need to see the most important or time-sensitive messages, click priority to filter those out. And that's it. You've now accessed your full message history on the Uber app and learned how to filter through different types of communications to find exactly what you're looking for. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.